What's up, Burros? Up here in Orange County. I'm gonna go see Rhys Millin. He's gonna let us in on a little secret project. We're gonna go check out his shop, so follow along. Have fun. Up here at Rhys Millin's shop, doing a little burro builds on a secret project.
Secret project. Don't tell anyone, at least for a while. This is our Jackal chassis. It's a car that we have run now 4 different motor packages. We started off with a 2.3 EcoBoost engine, and we put a truck body on that chassis, and we won the 2020 Baja 1000 in Class 7. We then converted that same chassis to a V8 with the LS3. We went and won NOR overall in 2021, and in 2022 just missed out on the top step, got 3rd overall and 1st in unlimited buggy as well. And then from there we've been building chassis for customers, and then we were just contracted by a customer to build this Jackal, which is a little unique. There's a 4-cylinder motor in here, but it's a 4-cylinder motor that some people are familiar with and a lot of people are not. And I guess the giveaway is on the front side, it's got clutches.
Can anyone guess what it is in the comments?
What have we gone and done? So Score changed their rules for 2023. The Pro UTV division allows for one-off chassis. This is not a one-off chassis, but in this case it is. For Pro UTV category, all that you need to retain is the factory or a factory UTV engine and transmission. So we put that in the Jackal. One of the unique designs of the Jackal that really lent itself kind of perfectly for this occasion is it is a mid-engine car design. Out the back we have the SADEV transmission, which was a 6-speed sequentially shifted transmission that we use on all the other platforms, with the Pro R motor and the output shafts leading drive shafts front and back, or prop shafts. We can take the front diff from SADEV, which we've run in the front, 500 horsepower over 7,000 miles, and we can flip that differential over because it's designed to be, and we can run it in the back. The drive shaft center flanges or outside flanges were designed exactly the same center to center width. So a simple plug-in, no axle changes, no shock changes, no suspension changes. We've got a Jackal Pro R.
So when are we allowed to tell everyone about this thing? When's the big debut?
Well, it's a customer car. I'm excited for him. We'll have to say at a later date what race it's going to be. Yeah, I think it's going to do pretty good. And when it comes out for its first race, I think it will be very dialed. Every component of the car, from the brakes to the axles to the differentials, has all been proven.
You got what, 4 years on this platform now?
Yeah, just shy of 3 or 4 years.
Races, won races.
Some overall wins down in Baja, some class wins. So yeah, it's been quite exciting. What components have been seeing 500 horsepower, and now are only going to see 250 horsepower. So I don't foresee any negatives. It's just really, we're back to driving to the belt, but the car is very light. I won't tell you the weight. But let's just say it's on par to a 2-seater Pro R.
I see some carbon fiber.
There's a lot of carbon fiber. On the front, we run a 4-stud wheel pattern. It's the Polaris 4 on 156. As the V8 Jackal car, people said that will never work. 4 studs will never work. Well, sorry, we proved you wrong. We went to electric steering, which we've run on the V8 Jackal. It's a 400-watt system from Super ATV. People said that will never work. Well, sorry, it's worked. And we run a Howe trophy truck rack, non-assist rack, with a Fox steering dampener. So all the components have been packaged, they've been proven. Now we've just got to go out and make sure that we get all the clutching right and back to where we were when we were winning in UTVs before we departed that class.
Full circle. Full circle.
Electric ram down here allows us to move the seat forward so the driver can stay seated and moves forward so you can have access to the clutches. And then the quick release on the co-driver seat allows access to the clutches to do a clutch change. Other than that, the rest of the construction and everything else of the car is the standard Jackal chassis. We have made one big change, and that is the tire. We had a little bit of a limited factor to the overall performance of the car at NOR this year, or last year in 2022. We had 4 flat tires. I had the opportunity to run with Cameron Steele and the Desert Assassins group in Trophy Truck Division. Got to experience the BFG 40-inch tire and couldn't believe the strength, the suspension, everything that was positive out of that tire. So for the customer's choice, we've now gone to the Class 10 car tire, 35-inch, which is a class regulation. So this should be a pretty good package all around.
So you think anyone's going to catch what's in it when you're out testing, just by the sound?
It's got a unique sound. Obviously, you can't mistake that for anything other than what it is. We're going to do a private test this week.
Awesome.
We are today 2 months away from its first race. Don't want to say too much before I give it away, but
you might have already.
Takes a little bit. The scenes.
Rad. So we'll put out a cool video on this beast. All right, man. Thank you for your time.
Cheers. Thanks
Good
for coming
to
out.
see ya.
Good to see
Take
ya.
care.